In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and revoke devices currently signed into your Amazon account. This is an important step in managing your account's security and ensuring that only the devices you trust have access. To get started, you'll want to sign into Amazon using a web browser. Make sure you're on a secure network to protect your login information. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Your Account section. Here, under Accounts and Lists, you'll find an option labeled Manage Your Content and Devices. Click on it to open up a new page. On this page, you'll see various options to manage your Amazon account, but our focus will be on the Devices tab, which might be the first thing you see. Clicking here will reveal a list of all the registered devices currently connected to your Amazon account. This list will include details like the device name and registration date, and sometimes even the device's location, giving you a clear overview of what's accessing your account. Take some time to review each device entry carefully. If anything looks unfamiliar, or if you see a device you no longer use, it might be a sign that your account could be compromised or simply cluttered with old data that needs refreshing. If you find a device that you no longer want signed into your account, you can easily revoke its access. Staying within the Devices tab, locate the specific device in question. Each entry should have an option next to it labeled Deregister, or sometimes it'll be Sign Out or Remove. Click on it to proceed. You'll need to confirm this action because once you deregister, that device will be logged out of your Amazon account. This means it will no longer be able to use the Keep Me Signed In feature, effectively sealing that route off for any unauthorized access as well. Now that you've successfully deregged any unwanted devices, it's always a good idea to change your Amazon password. This adds an extra layer of security and reassures that any potential breaches are further mitigated. While you're at it, consider enabling Amazon's two-step verification feature. This makes it much harder for anyone to access your accounts, even if they somehow manage to snag your password. And that's it. By keeping an eye on your active devices and regularly updating your security settings, you are taking proactive steps to protect your Amazon account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to adopt these practices regularly to maintain your account's security.